Fat-burning foods already in your kitchen, from chili to mustard, how to turn 8 classic ingredients into bulge-beating superfoods. You might be familiar with the notion that eating foods that are high in calories along with a lack of physical activity causes an imbalance in metabolism, which leads to obesity. The tricky thing, for many of us, is getting the balance right and ensuring we maintain a healthy weight. However, the metabolism is not always an easy thing to understand and differs from person to person, varying in efficiency and requiring differing amounts of energy to process the foods and drinks consumed. Wouldn't it be fabulous to be able to eat foods that can help you lose weight, simply by eating them? Although this doesn't quite make sense on first reading, you may be surprised to know that there really are foods that can help you do just that. Research suggests that there are some foods that may help manage weight by boosting the metabolism, due to their thermogenic effect on the body, in other words, the amount of energy used and heat produced as your body processes this food. All foods, when consumed, speed up the action of the muscles in the digestive tract, using up energy and producing heat in the process. This is known as thermogenesis. However, certain foods use up more energy and create more heat as the body burns calories. The harder the food is to digest, the more calories the body will have to burn to fully break it down, before it can absorb the nutrients from it. Thermogenesis kicks in after every meal and the digestive process continue to burn calories many hours after a meal is eaten. The thermogenic effect of food will depend upon the type of food and the amount of food consumed in the diet as a whole. An effective weight loss program can be modified to include some of these thermogenic foods to help you to achieve your goals, but it is important to remember that this effect will only be achieved as part of a balanced diet. With this in mind, here are 8 foods that can have a thermogenic effect on your body. 1. Chili peppers. Capsaicin, a compound in chili peppers, stimulates the body to burn energy and create heat. In our bodies, white fat cells store energy and brown fat cells are thermogenic, producing heat by burning fat. A 2015 study suggested that increasing capsaicin in the diet may stimulate thermogenesis and also induce white fat cells to behave like thermogenic brown fat cells. Use fresh chilies, chili flakes or cayenne powder to add flavor to marinades and dressings or simply sprinkle liberally on your meals. 2. Whole grains and vegetables. Complex carbohydrates, such as brown rice, oats, and quinoa, also high in protein, are high in dietary fiber that the gut cannot fully digest and break down. The extra effort the body has to put in requires extra energy, burning its energy stores to digest these indigestible foods. It is no surprise that any weight loss program will encourage eating high portions of vegetables, and in particular the leafy greens such as spinach, rocket, watercress, kale, and cabbage. These vegetables are all high in insoluble fiber. As with complex carbohydrates, these will have a thermic effect on the body as more energy is used up in an attempt to digest these indigestible compounds. So, aim to reach your 7 a day, of which 5 are vegetables and a maximum of 2 are fruits. Choose fruits with high fiber content, such as apples or pears. 3. Black pepper. Piperine, a compound found in black pepper, has a thermic effect and can be responsible for the breakdown of some fat cells. So, reaching for the black pepper not only offers the benefits of its thermic effect but also adds extra flavor to your meal. 4. Ginger. Ginger also contains capsaicin, responsible for its fiery flavor. Eating ginger, fresh or powdered, in your food can speed up the metabolism due to the increased heat production. Studies also suggest that ginger can reduce feelings of hunger and may help to manage weight. Use it in stir-fries, curries, and marinades or try a warming ginger tea. Slice into thick discs and add hot water, and allow it to steep for 10 minutes. Ginger can also be grated from frozen or stored in the freezer already sliced, ready to use in a tea. 5. Garlic. Like ginger, garlic, with its fiery kick, contains compounds that can enhance thermogenesis in brown adipose tissue. Use extra cloves if you enjoy the taste and include in marinades and dressings for a flavor boost. 6. Mustard. Mustard contains compounds found in other spicy foods, and in particular capsaicin, that not only gives it its characteristic flavor but can also help to increase the body temperature when eaten. Add in a teaspoon of mustard to your salad dressing or include it in a casserole for added flavor. 7. Green tea. Studies show that both caffeine and catechin polyphenols, micronutrients, found in green tea can help to stimulate the metabolism, boosting the number of calories used by the body. Therefore, it can promote weight loss, when combined with a healthy balanced diet and increased physical activity. 8. Protein. When compared to fats and carbohydrates, eating a meal high in protein has a bigger thermic effect. Proteins are complex nutrients and will require more energy to break them down as part of the digestive process. For example, if you eat a chicken breast containing 300 calories, around 30%, i.e. 100 calories, will be burned during digestion. Research has shown that eating a high-protein diet leads to lower weight gain, in part also due to its positive effect on post-meal hunger and desire to eat. Always ensure good protein with every meal or snack, not only for its thermogenic effect but also to help you stay full. Vegetarian protein sources include quinoa, beans, brown rice, and lentils.